Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a handbag unboxing. I'm so excited to unbox this. This is going to be definitely different than any of the other unboxings that I've done on my channel. It's definitely a little different for me in general, which basically just means that it's not a Chanel bag. But I am so excited about this. I went back and forth about getting this bag for the longest time, and I'm so happy that I finally pulled the trigger. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. Also, I'm wearing it today, so I really need to do this, you know what I'm saying? We need to get this unboxed. So if you guys want to see my newest handbag, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like unboxings, you like shoes, jewelry. If any of that stuff tickles your pickle, I think this is definitely where you're gonna want to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. See, I just smacked my mouth. Did you see that? Like I was saying, every single day I post over there, so follow me if you're not already. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. So unlike my usual Chanel unboxings, this one I actually have not unboxed for Instagram, and that's basically because I didn't have a chance, okay? Like I said, I got it pretty recently, probably like 1 or 2 days ago, and I have not had a chance to unbox it until right now. Grabbing the scissors, and we're just gonna rip into it. I purchased this from Neiman Marcus. It was during like Black Friday or whatever, but they were not having any type of sale on this item, which is fine because honestly, the price point of this is really good. Like it's 100% the cheapest handbag that I have in my, or the least expensive, not cheapest, the least expensive handbag that I have in my collection at the moment. It's a good one, man. It's good. I'm excited. So this was literally just sitting in the box like this. So I guess it doesn't come with like a box or anything, but I can see a dust bag. I did actually see some bags from this brand in my most recent shopping vlog, so I'll link that right up here in case you guys want to see some other bags. This is heavier than I thought it was going to be. So this is my new bag from Cult Gaia, which if you guys know is definitely more on like the contemporary pricing side of things. So to reveal, obviously the lighting is going to be all off now. And this is when she knew she messed up. This just fell out of the bag, so that's not good news. So this is the Eden clutch in clear. Oh, it's broken. This is supposed to be kind of like the closing mechanism, I guess, and it is just shattered, which really sucks. Because now obviously I have to return it, like it's broken. Wow, this is a fail. This is my first time I have an unboxing fail. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it on camera. There's like a gaping hole here, which obviously is not ideal. And I'm kind of really upset about this because I was supposed to wear this today. I'm going to my company's like office party, and this was gonna be my bag. And this is no longer gonna be my bag. I do have a clutch that I bought from Amazon, which I'll probably end up using. I almost forgot all about this one. This works. This definitely works. So I think this is gonna end up being my little bag for today. But I was so excited about this. You guys have no idea like how long I wanted this bag. It's just a clear clutch. It goes with everything, but I love how there's like geometric patterns on it. You do get a little shoulder strap with it, which I don't really plan, or I wasn't planning on ever using. But it's nice that you have that option, you know. This bag retails for $315, I believe. I'll leave the price here just in case, and I will link it down below. But sadly, she's going back. I'm not even gonna touch this any further. We're just gonna throw this in here and pack her up to go back to Neiman Marcus. Wow, this is like not the way I wanted to start my day. Like I literally have to go to work now, just like thinking about what could have been. This is a sign. I was not meant to have this bag, you know? I really had wanted it for the longest, when I say the longest time, you guys, the longest time. And it's clear that it wasn't meant to be, man. I don't think that I'm gonna reorder this. I really like it and I really wanted it for the longest time, but I just feel like if I was to reorder this, which is not available in store, by the way, at least not in any store near me, the same thing would happen. You know, it does look kind of like a fragile bag because it's not like glass, but you could hear it's like extremely hard. And I guess because of that geometrical shape, it's just like, it's fragile, man. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Let me know, do you guys have any other clutches in mind that you think I should get? I really need a clutch, man. I really need a clutch, and I thought this was the perfect one. I also have another party I'm supposed to go to next week, and I was gonna use this too, so now I'm just like, shit, man. I don't know what to use. I don't know what to do. Oh, and obviously my caramel bag would match with what I'm wearing. This is just like a brown dress, but I don't really want to wear a Chanel bag to my office, so that's why I was gonna wear this one, man. And I'm just gonna wear this one from Amazon, which I will also link in the description box. This one came in one piece, and honestly, it's really nice, and it goes with pretty much everything. But I liked the fact that this one was clear, and it was really cool to me, and I really like the pattern. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. That's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This lighting is wrong, but it was gonna have to do because it's currently 8:09 and I have to leave at 8:30 to go to work.